Guys, Makumalo, she was trending about Musamseleku. He says she failed to be a woman just because Makumalo, she doesn't give Musamseleku kids. You understand? And especially, guys, Musamseleku, he doesn't talk like that because now Samke is pregnant and Makumalo, she is getting hurt about Samke's pregnancy. You understand? And now social media is attacking Musamseleku, but Musamseleku, he come at social media, he says Musamseleku and Makumalo, where they are there, they are okay. But they are not okay, those people, just because Makumalo, she changed her name on Instagram. She says Tobile Kumalo, you understand? Makumalo, she is not, Musamseleku and Makumalo, they are not okay. They are just pretending in front of social media. And Musamseleku, he wants to correct those words because he says Makumalo, she failed to be a woman. You understand? And now he wants to correct, like, it's not, he wants to say that Makumalo, she does not have kids, what? You understand? That Makumalo, she failed. Makumalo, she failed what? Because Makumalo, she is supporting Musamseleku for everything. I think Musamseleku, he says she failed for giving Musamseleku children. You understand? Because, guys, Mayeni, if you look at Mayeni says to Musamseleku, I give you children. You understand? That's why you doesn't have, now she doesn't care about Mayeni just because Mayeni, she says she gave Musamseleku children. So Musamseleku, he wants kids. You understand? So Mayeni, sometimes she is right in other side because Mayeni, so that Musamseleku, he doesn't care about anyone. Only he cares is himself and those women, he wants them to give children. You understand? That's why Mayeni says to Musamseleku, I gave you children. That's why you doesn't care about me. You understand? Mayeni, sometimes she is alright because now he says to Makumalo, she failed. You understand? She failed. Guys, that's what, guys, Makumalo, she is supporting Musamseleku for everything. Only thing that Makumalo, she failed is to give Musamseleku children. And now Musamseleku, he come to social media and he wants to correct people. You understand? He wants to correct people because those things is trending now. Is trending on social media, and he doesn't not expect those words that they are going to trend on social media. That's why he came at social media and he wants to correct people, but people are not children, guys. People of social media, they know what they are saying. You understand?